when your period feels like a battle you didn't sign up for? You're out with your friends, but all you can think about is the fear of leaking through your clothes. You've already changed your pad twice in the last 2 hours. You're cramping, drained, dizzy, and counting the days until it's over. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. So many women quietly suffer through heavy periods, medically known as menorrhagia, without ever getting the support or answers they truly need. At Glownest, we understand that menstruation isn't just a monthly visitor. For many, it feels more like an unwanted storm that wrecks your body, mood, and routine. But here's the good news. There are gentle, natural ways to take control of heavy periods. And we're here to guide you every step of the way. What counts as a heavy period? Let's first understand what heavy really means. A period is considered heavy if you're soaking through a pad or tampon every 1 to 2 hours, your period lasts longer than 7 days, you pass large blood clots larger than a quarter, or you feel unusually tired, dizzy, or weak during your period. If you're nodding yes to one or more of these, your period may be heavier than normal, and your body is trying to tell you something. Root causes. Why are my periods so heavy? Heavy periods don't just happen randomly. There are real biological reasons your body might be bleeding more than it should. Here are some common and often overlooked causes. Hormonal imbalance. Your menstrual cycle depends on a delicate dance between estrogen and progesterone. When estrogen dominates and progesterone lags behind, the uterine lining builds up too much, leading to a heavier flow when it sheds. Common causes of hormonal imbalance include stress, poor sleep, unbalanced diet, polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, and thyroid dysfunction. Uterine conditions. Sometimes the structure of the uterus itself contributes to heavy bleeding. Fibroids are non-cancerous growths in the uterus. Polyps are small, benign growths on the lining of the uterus. Endometriosis or adenomyosis involves tissue growing outside or within the uterus wall, causing pain and heavy flow. Nutritional deficiencies such as iron, vitamin B12, and vitamin K deficiencies can worsen bleeding. If your body doesn't have what it needs to regulate clotting and hormone production, periods can become heavier. Some medications or birth control, like blood thinners or copper IUDs, can increase flow. If you started a new medication and noticed a change in your period, it's worth discussing with your doctor. Conditions like hypothyroidism, bleeding disorders, or even infections can lead to abnormal periods. Always get persistent symptoms evaluated. 6 natural ways to gently ease heavy periods. Now that we understand the why, let's talk about the how, as in how to take charge, naturally and safely. Here are 6 science-supported everyday steps to reduce heavy menstrual flow and bring relief. Nourish with hormone-balancing foods. What you eat can either fuel the chaos or calm it. Focus on an anti-inflammatory, hormone-supporting diet. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in iron and magnesium. Seeds such as flax, pumpkin, and sesame help balance estrogen. Healthy fats from avocados, olive oil, and nuts support hormone production. Whole grains like quinoa and brown rice maintain stable blood sugar. Avoid excess sugar, caffeine, and processed foods, which spike inflammation and hormone imbalances. Try gentle herbal remedies. Nature has a way of nurturing us when we listen to her gifts. Several herbs are known to support menstrual balance. Chasteberry, also known as Vitex agnus castus, helps regulate progesterone. Ginger reduces inflammation and heavy bleeding. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Cinnamon has been shown in studies to reduce menstrual bleeding. Tip: try sipping on ginger turmeric tea daily a week before your period starts. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Practice seed cycling. Seed cycling is a gentle way to sync your body with your natural hormone rhythms. Here's how. Days 1 to 14, which is the follicular phase, take 1 tablespoon of flaxseed and 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds daily. Then, for days 15 to 28, the luteal phase, switch to 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds daily. These seeds provide the right nutrients to support estrogen and progesterone balance at each stage of your cycle. Manage stress with movement and mindfulness. Chronic stress is one of the biggest hormone disruptors. When cortisol, your stress hormone, is high, it throws off the entire menstrual cycle. Try adding yoga or stretching for 15 to 20 minutes daily. Mindful breathing, even 5 minutes helps, or nature walks and light cardio. These activities calm the nervous system and promote hormonal harmony. Support with natural supplements. If you suspect nutrient deficiencies, these natural supplements may help. Iron, especially if you feel fatigued or pale. Magnesium, which calms cramps and supports hormones. vitamin B6 and B12 to support energy and mood, vitamin K2, which supports clotting and bleeding control. Remember to get a blood test and talk to your doctor or a certified nutritionist before starting supplements. Track your cycle and spot patterns. Your body is constantly giving you signals. It's just about learning to read them. Use a period tracking app or journal to record flow intensity, cramps or clots, mood swings, and food cravings or triggers. This helps you identify patterns and make lifestyle adjustments before things spiral. When to see a doctor? Natural remedies can work wonders, but never ignore severe or ongoing symptoms. Please seek medical help if your period affects your daily life or mental health. You're feeling extremely tired or faint. You're passing clots the size of a coin or bigger, or you bleed for more than 7 days regularly. Your health matters, and it's okay to ask for help. You're not alone, and you're not broken. If your period feels overwhelming, I want you to know this. You are not weak, you are not too sensitive, you are not imagining it. You are a beautifully complex, cyclical being, and sometimes your body just needs a little extra care, patience, and nourishment. Healing doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent, gentle steps, your body can find its rhythm again. You are not meant to suffer in silence. At Glownest, we're here to hold your hand through the ups and downs of your cycle. Ready to take the first step? Start by choosing just one tip from today's guide, whether it's a warm cup of ginger tea, a walk in the sun, or adding a handful of pumpkin seeds to your salad. Small changes can lead to big transformations. Share this guide with a sister, a friend, or someone you care about. Let's break the silence around heavy periods together. New viewers, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.